Guys, I am so excited to be making this marbled clock with you today. This is a super easy project, and as always, it's a Homemade Luxe craft kit, so you can get this kit at homemadeluxe.com. All the materials are included in the box, and you can just create with us. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you do is just get your clay out, and you're going to go ahead and work it with your hands first and just make these long ropes. So you're going to do silver, black, and of course white. You want your white ropes to be a little bit thicker than your silver and your black, so you can get a really nice marbled look. Okay, now once you've created all your ropes, you're gonna actually combine the smaller ropes into making some larger ones. So you can make about 3 with the amount of clay we provided in this kit. And as you can see, if you didn't purchase the kit, you can also just grab some Sculpey clay from the craft store, of course. Next, we're gonna roll our larger ropes into balls, and it just takes a little bit of time and elbow grease to work that in your hands. And then you're going to try to go ahead and combine those 3 separate ones into one. It just makes it easier to work in smaller pieces. Now you can use a rolling pin to start rolling out your clay, and you're gonna see the marble pattern that you have. Now, if the pattern isn't as marbled as you would like, guess what? You can just create your ball again and marble it a little bit more. And that's what I'm gonna do here. I want a little bit more marbling. So I'm gonna just create that back into a ball and go ahead and roll it back out. In our kit, we described that you can make 3 different types of clocks once you get to this stage. It just depends on how you cut your thing. If you want a regular circle clock, go ahead and use a plate or something in the size of a circle that you would like, or just freehand it a circle. Or you can do like me and just kind of freeform a clock. I'm just doing some kind of different type of shape, just so that it's a little bit different than a traditional clock. You can also do a tabletop clock by going ahead and putting it on the ledge of a table and making that crease so that you can lay it flat on a table. Now you want to go ahead and smooth the edges as well. Next, I'm going to kind of look at the side, figure out where I want to place the hands for my clock, and it's in the middle like there. And once I have it there, then I'm gonna go ahead and create a hole the size that I need. So I placed the largest hole there so that I can figure out what size hole I need to make. You also want to make sure that this is only a 1/4 inch deep so that the clock hands mechanism will fit. And once you've cut that, just go ahead and make sure you smooth it out with your finger. And once that's ready to go, you're going to go ahead and put it on a baking sheet and add it to your oven at 275 degrees for 15 minutes. Next, you're just going to follow the instructions on your clock mechanism kit to add your clock hands. But first, if you want your clock to have a glossy look, you can use the gloss glaze included in your kit to just brush that on and let it dry, and you'll have a nice glossy finish. Additionally, we have gold paint included in the kit as well, so you can add some gold around the edges of your clock or wherever else you would like to, just for some extra glitz and glamour. And that's about it, guys. We hope you enjoyed this beautiful clock project. It's such an easy one, and of course, as always, you can check out all of our different craft kits at homemadeluxe.com. Have a great one, guys.